watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so take a good look. That's the coconut milk with custard. That cluster you see inside the bottom, that is called custard. Alright, and the oil is in there, that is from the coconut milk. I didn't put any oil, so now I'm going to add some water into it. Because there's going to be a lot of vegetables going into it. Alright, so allow water to melt. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Okay, my friends, so these are all the remaining ingredients that is going into this vegetable stew. This vegan vegetable stew. And you're seeing this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so everything is ready. Yes, everything is ready, waiting to go inside of the pot. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm gonna add onions. As well. Now I'm going to put my chayote or chocha inside. So that is the coconut custard from the milk, from the coconut milk. That is the custard, what you're looking at. Yes, that is the custard, alright. I am going to put the Chinese vegetable stark. Yes, let's call it stark part. I'm going to put that in as well. So you can generate some liquid. Yes, the Chinese stark has a lot of liquid inside of it. So watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to allow these to steam out, then I'll come back and add the rest of the vegetables. Alright, after putting in the stark of the vegetables, that's what it does. That's why I put them in first. Because yes, it has a lot of liquid, a lot of water inside of it. I'm going to add some garlic in there. I'm going to add some garlic, some fresh garlic. Alright. So that is the chocha and the Chinese vegetable stark. Alright, now I'm going to add some carrots in here. Alright, I'm going to add some carrots. I'm going to add some carrots in there. Some carrots. Okay, I'm going to put the carrot in. Leaves. That's the Chinese vegetable leaves. Put that in, leave it, let it steam. I'm going to put some plantains on top of it. Yes, I'm going to put some plantains on top of it. Yes. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube. some Maggi seasoning in here. It has onions in there, has tomatoes, has thyme. Yes. There's other seasoning in here already. This is just additional, all-purpose. This is all-purpose. Tap it off. Alright, all-purpose seasoning. This is my vegan vegetarian stew. Yes, completely 100% vegan vegetarian stew. And you'll see this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking A32 on the YouTube platform. Alright. My vegan vegetable stew, it is done. Alright, it is completed. I'm going to turn the stove off now. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking A32 on the YouTube platform.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out.
Carrots,
Can't make a stop,
cabbage,
can't turn back
Chinese
now.
vegetables,
We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
came from Jamaican. one is it?